What is the difference between a DNR and an allow natural death order? Have you ever wondered about the differences between a Do-Not-Resuscitate order and an allow natural death order? These terms often come up in conversations about end-of-life care, but they representing different approaches to medical treatment. Understanding these differences can help you make informed decisions for yourself or your loved ones. A Do-Not-Resuscitate order is a medical directive that tells healthcare providers not to perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation if a patient's heart or breathing stops. This order specifically focuses on withholding resuscitation efforts during a cardiac or respiratory arrest. It can sometimes feel like a heavy decision, as it centers on what medical staff should not do in a crisis. On the other hand, an allow natural death order takes a different approach. This order emphasizes providing comfort care and allowing the natural dying process to occur without aggressive interventions. It frames the situation positively, focusing on supporting the patient's comfort and dignity. This can create a more compassionate atmosphere for discussions about end-of-life care. The key difference between these two orders lies in their perception and communication. A Do-Not-Resuscitate order is often seen as a negative instruction, which can lead to emotional discomfort for patients and families. In contrast, an allow natural death order encourages a patient-centered conversation about goals, values, and treatment preferences. It emphasizes symptom management and pain relief rather than just decisions about resuscitation. From the perspective of elder law and estate planning, both orders are part of advanced healthcare directives. These documents help ensure that medical treatment aligns with a patient's values and legal rights. By incorporating an allow natural death order into estate planning discussions, families can communicate preferences for comfort-focused care more clearly. This can reduce the emotional burden on decision-makers by framing the conversation around acceptance of the natural dying process. Both orders must be written by a licensed healthcare professional and are legally binding. The choice between a Do-Not-Resuscitate order and an allow natural death order may depend on state laws, institutional policies, and personal preferences. Some states and healthcare systems use these terms interchangeably, while others prefer the allow natural death terminology to promote a more compassionate approach. In summary, a Do-Not-Resuscitate order focuses on withholding resuscitation efforts during a medical crisis, while an allow natural death order emphasizes comfort, care, and dignity during the natural dying process. Both serve to respect patient autonomy and guide healthcare providers in honoring end-of-life wishes. Understanding these differences can help you navigate the emotional and ethical considerations involved in advanced healthcare planning.